Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another Bitcoin graphs and chart. So today I discuss about the Bitcoin graph or the market going on. So let's start. First of all, I'm on the 1-day chart. In on-day chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to on our chart, in on our chart you can see the market is also going to up. If I go to 2-hour chart, in 2-hour chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 3-hour chart, in 3-hour chart you can see the market is going to down also. If I go to 4-hour chart, in 4-hour chart you can see the market is going to down. Now I go to the 1-minute chart. In 1-minute chart you can see the market is going to up portion. If I go to 5-minute chart, in 5-minute chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 15-minute chart, in 15-minute chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 45-minute chart, in 45-minute chart you can see the market is going to down. So we can decide the market is going to down. For this, if I go to 4-hour chart, you can notice that the market is going to down, and which position he stand by. For this I take a scale. It is the first scale, then I take a second scale, this is second scale, and these are the third scale, and I also another scale. This fourth scale you can notice the market going to this place. After that he break his position and he going to down place. After that he again going to up place, and then he going to the down. And after that he is going to again up, and now he is running position is going to down. So I think market go to this place, then he can change his position. So I think everybody understand what I describe about my video. If you know the good prediction, please comment below and share your idea. I hope it will be helpful for our viewers. Now I can discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 24,585.90 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 24,585.90 USD. I hope everybody like the video. If you like the video, please comment and share your friends. Thank you.